everybody. 1 hour and 55 minutes later, and we're just arriving at Cook's Forest. Going to team up with my son, getting tanked, Rob Spencer Jr. We're going to start the day's fun here. Guess who? And guess who?
Hey, what's up?
We are here, and we're just down here at the water's edge. We just got here and testing it out. Turn this around so you can see. And I put my hand in the water, and I just cannot believe that is almost as warm as bath water. Try it out, son. What do you think?
At least I think it isn't cold.
It's not
bad
cold
at all.
That's awesome. So this is going to be a dive suit free day, which will enhance the experience even more. So,
And you do know if we get that cell phone down here that Aaron couldn't get, he's really going to be upset.
well, my other son, Snorkel Pirate, was here about a month ago. I couldn't participate because of my heart attack, but he found a cell phone down here. We marked the location, but this current is so strong. It's really deceiving. And by the time he saw it and tried to get back to it, he couldn't. And he tried and he tried and he tried, and he was fighting the current, and fighting it, and finally he got exhausted. And he couldn't do it. Today's mission, we're going to go down here and see if we can find that cell phone. I brought some dumbbells to tether us to keep us stationary. But if we do find this cell phone, I already promised him, I told him yesterday, if we find this cell phone, he described it, I told him that we would give him full credit for it. But we're going to attempt to find it, plus some other things that people have lost along the way here. So, let us head back up to the truck, get our gear on, and start this adventure. So, hang in there. We're about to have fun. Let's go dig in the water. As always, we begin our dives by stretching out all of the air hose, making sure that we have no kinks.
It's like where the fitting goes in.
Down here, everything looks the same. You have to train your eye to look for unusual shapes or colors.
As I said earlier, this river is very, very deceiving. There are lots of strong currents. Visibility is normally good, but because of all the boaters and tubers having to walk over the low areas, it's stirred the water up pretty good, as you can see. A little moss floating by. And there it is, the first find of the day. Little casting bait. I use an 8-pound dumbbell to anchor myself to the ground. It's the only way to fight the current. Although this is a lot of work, it's a lot of fun. The second find of the day, a piece of pottery. You really have to train your eye to look for things. I found what apparently looks like a kid's toy or a counter of some sort. Huh, look what I found. This is a rather unusual place to find a bone. Looking. Oh, there it is. Another fishing lure. The only thing bad about finding these fishing lures and putting them in this bag is they get stuck in there and you can't get them out. Plastic bottle. We'll throw this in my goodie bag. I think the nicest part is that my sons and I get to clean up the waterways as we're actually having fun doing all this. And this is the most dangerous part here, things we find. Broken glass bottles, please. No glass in the river of any kind. Not only I, but anybody else who has to walk in the shallow areas and would step on that, you could have a major accident and be on your way to the hospital. So please, no bottles in any river.
So we have here the day's find all laid out in front of us here. The only thing you didn't see on video was this pair of shorts that was found. For some reason it didn't get recorded. But anyway, from left to right, here's that piece of pottery. The ended up finding 3 lures. I don't know where that little one is. It was a little tiny baby one you saw. So that was a total of 3 lures. A piece of plastic, what's left of aluminum can. The plastic bottle you saw me find is, I don't know, kid's toy, a counter or something. I don't know what it is. And this large bone, and I have no idea what this is from. A smaller bone, and here's the glass that I found in the river there. Please don't take bottles into the river. Don't drop them over the side. These are broken. This is the way I found them. We and other people walk through there, and if you happen to step on one of these with your foot, especially an unprotected foot, you're in for some major damage. You'll be on your way to the hospital to get sutured up. And that'll conclude the Cook's Forest dive. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to have more coming your way. Snorkel Pirate is making plans to come up from West Virginia to make another dive up there. And that'll be coming up real soon. So stay tuned, hang in there, God bless, and keep digging the water. Just want to let you know, like us, subscribe to us, and set the notifications so that you can see every event that we have.